It was a moody, rainy day in a Japanese countryside. I heard about a hidden waterfall not too far from here. So we climbed an abandoned forest trail up the mountain in search of this mysterious waterfall. And what we found there was completely unexpected and absolutely amazing. So we are going on an adventure to see a waterfall. If you're wondering why there's happy music playing, that's because there might be bears and inoshishi, wild boars. So we're trying to scare them away with the music. Mariko is a tiny bit scared, as you can hear. So we followed the trail up the mountain, which led us through a peaceful forest. And seeing just how overgrown the pathway is, it's clear not many people visit here. It does make it feel like time actually stands still in this place. And then we found it, one of the most amazing places I have ever seen in my life. This place is absolutely magical. And when we arrived, there stood a mysterious geisha at the base of the waterfall. I don't know why she was here, but it was such a magical scene to arrive and see a geisha staring back at you. And then, as sudden as she had appeared, she also disappeared. So after a long journey, the three of us, me, Michael and her mom, we made it to this amazing waterfall with a torii in front, Japanese gates. And this is again one of those Ghibli moments. It really feels like I'm in a Ghibli movie or in a fantasy movie. It's unreal that this is real life. So beautiful. I hope the video captures it. Amazing place. And so came the time to head back down the mountain. What an incredible experience. But the adventure is not over yet. Despite the rain setting back in, we decided to go on another little adventure. A small trip to the neighboring city of Mino, the city of paper. So Mino is city of paper. They make a lot of things with paper lanterns, and even some paper like statues. It's really interesting. So Mino, the city of paper, lives up to his name. But how do they make all these things? Let's take a quick little look. So this lady gave us a little demonstration how they make the paper lanterns here in Mino. It involves a lot of glue, paper and patience. Everything is handcrafted, and it's kind of nice to see that things still work the old-fashioned way despite all the technology and machinery of the modern day. And after seeing all these cool paper lanterns and characters, we just had to give it a try ourselves. Now look at that technique. That's pure craftsmanship right here. Even though this is quite a simple design and I had all the instructions, I was kinda surprised just how much work and how much precision you need to make these characters. And yeah, I don't think this is a job cut out for me. Here we can see Mariko's finished creation, and here is mine. I think I need to cut down on the glue. And this is what real professional craftsmen can make. And yeah, this is all made of paper. So this is where the Mino paper company is, and the house is really charming. Kind of feels like a tea house or something, with the tatami floor and the paper doors. Of course it's made of paper. Mino is all about paper. And yeah, it's very cozy here. Even the Emperor of Japan came here to Mino. And then over here we have an absolutely amazing garden. Wow, look at that. I think the rain really helps. The rain makes it so cozy. I want to sit here for hours and enjoy this little garden. So next up we're going inside the Lantern Museum, the pride and joy of Mino. Let's go right now. In Mino they can make seemingly everything out of paper. Crabs, fish, bamboo, but most importantly, a funny looking giraffe. And these designs were made by school students. That's amazing. Now this museum was really nice, but I think the real museum is just the town of Mino itself, because at night all the lanterns turn on and it transforms the town into this really magical, beautiful place. So that's it for our little day in Mino. Really nice place. I don't think many people know about it. It's very countryside, so yeah. But look at this, all the lanterns. This is not an event. This is just, this is always here. This is what the town is known for. Paper lanterns, and yeah, it's so lovely. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and gonna explore more countryside views. So I hope I can see you soon. Okay, bye bye.